Have you been annoyed by the Hedit module DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze localized hex text editor logic dependency and restore that missing file. Before the walkthrough for Hedit module, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Hedit module, the core execution library for specialized binary editing hex tools. It manages the high-speed data buffers for viewing and modifying raw machine code. If missing, the parent software will report a control load failure or will be unable to open data files, typically citing an arithmetic exception during the draw call. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Because Hedit module DLL is tied to the localized hex/text editor logic runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Hedit module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Hedit module DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Hedit module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Hedit module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.